Alrighty guys, here's the van right here, 2018 Chrysler Town and Country. Door locks will not work on driver's side. Let's verify this right quick. Lock, unlock. Okay, that didn't even move, guys. Let's get inside. Y'all know me, I like to verify this stuff before I start working on things. I gotta make sure the customer actually having a problem. All right, let's use the master switch. We're looking at the door lock on the driver's side. We got lock, unlock. All right, let's go to the passenger side. Lock, unlock. All right, ladies and gentlemen, that lock is working on the passenger side, but not the driver's side. So I essentially have duplicated the problem. Now, what we got here, guys, on the driver's door is different from the sliding door. On the sliding door, these minivans have a lock actuator. Yeah, it's a black box that controls lock and unlock, things like that. This one, the lock actuator is actually built into the latch. All right, the latch. So if you got 12 volts and ground going to this, you basically need a latch assembly. She said fix it, guys. So we're gonna get this door lock to working. Let's see some yeah, it's not like it's gonna start working. All right, so it's part of the latch, guys. We gotta take the door panel out. In fact, here's the part right here. Mopar, guys. I'm only using Mopar latch assembly. I'm not using no freaking Derman latch assembly. All right, yes, the motor part or the lock actuator part is built on this black piece. All right, so yes, it is not separate. It's not a separate lock actuator. So in order to get this in here, yeah, I got to remove the door panel, guys. I can't do this as a short video. I have to do this as a long video, but I got to get in here, get this door panel off, get the whole complete window latch assembly out, and then install the latch assembly onto the whole mechanism. Then put it back in. That should get me my door lock actuator back. All right. So with that being known and being said, let me go grab what, screwdriver, the door panel. I'll try to do a long video, man. Y'all stay tuned. All right, guys, let's talk real quick. Now, guys, this is a lot of overkill, okay? I have the regulator off, but technically, if you're just doing the actuator, you don't have to take the regulator off. In fact, I could have left the regulator attached to this panel, but that's no big deal. You can just bolt it up to the panel and bolt it all down, put the motor on and everything, and then go back in with everything together, okay? But if you're in here to replace a window regulator, it's pretty much the same situation. You have to disconnect the glass from these channels right here. All right, it's two on each side that bolts or that connects to the end of the glass. All right, so depending on what you're doing, all right, I'm fairly quick at this. In fact, I'm done. I'm finna put this panel back inside and bolt everything back up. Now, I also want to remind you that this is not a tutorial video. I'm merely just showing what I'm doing. I'm not cut out to do tutorial videos. They're a little too tedious for me. I'll have to tell you, I'll have to point everything out. I'm not cut out for that. You can get some real good, nice tutorial videos from Uncle Mark. All right. I think his channel name, Uncle Mark DIY channel. When he do stuff like this, he precise with it. Okay. What bolt, what size wrench you using? What are you disconnecting? I didn't go over any of this stuff, but all of this stuff is important. Disconnecting these rods and make sure you put them back in place. All right. But for the most part, I got the latch assembly attached to the panel. Now I'm about to put the panel back on. Okay, so I guess I'll fire the camera back up. See, because I didn't show you how to take this off, there's no reason to show you how to put it on, right? The thinking behind it is you're already familiar with that part, if that makes sense. Right. Okay. So yeah. So maybe you already at this point, you're just trying to figure out why the door lock's not working, and you got something out of the video. All right. But I'm about to go back in with it. I'm gonna bolt this regulator up to the panel. You didn't have to take it off, but I did anyway. And I'm gonna put the whole complete panel back in the door. All right, y'all stay tuned. We're gonna make sure this thing works. I'm just gonna plug in my electrical connectors and operate the door locks. Stay tuned. Alrighty, guys. I got the panel back on. I got the door lock. I got all the electrical connection hooked up. I got my window switch temporarily hooked up so I can check and see if the door lock actually works. I want to verify this, guys, so I don't put all the door panel back on just to find out it don't work. Be smart about when you're working on cars, guys. It's very easy to verify if you fix the problem or not. All right, so I'm gonna close the door, reach back in here, and where's my switch? We just want to actuate the driver door lock. This is the one we replaced. See if they work. All right, y'all ready? Here we go. Hey, I fixed it. Yeah, guys, I don't care how long I've been doing this, I still get excited when you fix something. I love this. You gotta love what you do, man. I love what I do, man. This is amazing, man. Uh-oh. Oh, no. Y'all know what I didn't do while I'm up here running my damn mouth? Oh, my goodness. Oh, man, I forgot to hook up, you know, the linkage that go to this. Oh, my God, I'm over here bragging about. Oh, I'm gonna have to cut that out. I can't. All right, I gotta find a way to get in here. The linkage is not hooked up. I didn't hook the linkage up. Maybe I can squeeze. Y'all reckon I can squeeze? I'm gonna take y'all dumpster diving. Y'all look around for me. Right there, that orange and red. I don't know which one. We're gonna grab the red one and push it down and see if my door open. Damn, I forgot to hook the linkage up. All right, let's grab one of these. Hey, that's it. All right, guys, no big deal. How embarrassing. Y'all know me. I don't cut nothing or delete nothing. That's staying on the video. The hell with it. All right, so what you'll get from that. Anytime you're putting stuff back on, don't forget to hook the freaking linkage up to the actual door handle. There's two linkages one going to the key. Got to be some type of mechanical device, guys, to transmit that movement to this lock actuator. The key go in there, and it's two rods unhooked. One for the key and one for the actual door handle. So it's real simple. Hook the damn things back up. Oh my goodness. All right, so we can end this video. I hope I ain't got to take this all the way back out just to do this. All right, guys, this is too embarrassing to continue. So my job here is done. What I set out to do was to make the door locks work on the driver's side. And by doing that, I merely replaced. Where's my old part? Where's my latch? I don't know. Oh, here it is. By doing that, I merely had to replace this simply because the lock actuator is built inside of the latch. It's not like the sliding door. Sliding door has its own lock actuator mechanism. Okay, yeah, here's the two rods I forgot. Like I say, one go to the key and one go to the actual door handle. They're just not hooked up. So once you hook those little rods back up, everything should work fine. And guys, by the way, these are channeled, all right? So you got to be real careful about it. Make sure you put these back on. They ride a certain way. We got a channel up top. This is the channel at the bottom, and we got a channel. One is sideways. So we got two channels that's got to go in order to sit perfectly well. All right. So let me hook up those linkage. I feel so stupid. And get this door panel back on. We done, guys. That's all I have. I'm gonna end this video. Thanks for watching. Freaking comment, subscribe. If you didn't notice, guys, I inject a little humor into my videos. Some of it is intentional and some of it is not. This flat caught me off guard. I don't know, brain freeze. It happens. But you rectify it by fixing it, right? No big deal. I'm just gonna reach in there. Hopefully, that's neither here nor there. All right, guys, I'm done. Thanks for watching.